Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we'll paint a cozy holiday street scene filled with glowing windows, soft snow, a festive wreath, and a bright winter sky. This project is perfect for beginners and will help you practice smooth blending, confident brush strokes, and simple layering techniques to bring a charming winter atmosphere to life. Before we begin, take a moment to pause the video and gather your supplies. Everything you need is listed in the description below. Let's start by creating the winter sky. Load your flat brush with phthalo blue, cobalt blue, and a touch of white directly from the canvas surface. Use gentle, horizontal strokes only as you sweep from top to bottom. Keep your brush slightly damp to help the colors glide together. Your goal is a smooth transition from deep blue at the top to a soft, snowy tint near the bottom. If the colors feel harsh, pause and add a little more white to soften the blend. Take your time with this step. Enjoy the calm, steady motion of the brush. Next, rinse your brush and load a mix of cobalt blue and white. Using quick, angled strokes, begin shaping simple triangular rooftops in the upper half of the canvas. These don't need to be perfect. Vary their heights and widths for a cozy village feel. Add small blocks beneath the rooftops to form the house shapes. Keep the strokes loose and confident. Let's build the snowy land and pathway. With your larger flat brush, make short horizontal strokes beneath the houses. Add extra white to brighten areas and light phthalo blue along edges for depth. This uneven texture gives the snow movement and softness. Lightly underline the path with a thin stroke of blue so it reads clearly in the scene. Let's build the snowy land and pathway. Add extra white to brighten areas and light phthalo blue along edges for depth. Take your time with this step. Enjoy the calm, steady motion of the brush. Switch to your small round brush and load it with medium yellow. Add glowing windows and doors to each house. Make some tall, some short, some square, some narrow. Variety adds personality. Dot just a little yellow into the snow below the windows to create the look of warm reflections. Next, using black, paint a tall streetlight near one of the larger houses. Start with a straight vertical line for the pole, then add a thick base at the bottom. Paint a small box or rectangle for the lamp and add a soft curved dome on top. Once you have the shape, fill the lamp's interior with bright lemon yellow so it glows. You can soften the edges with a Filbert brush to give it a warm halo. Now let's add the wreath. Paint a small circle beneath the lamp using black as your guide. Load sap green and light green on your brush and fill the circle with tapping motions. This creates a perfect textured wreath. Add a few bright touches of yellow or white on one side to give the wreath depth and highlight. On the other side of the scene, paint a tall tree using your Filbert brush loaded with black. Start with a slightly tapered trunk and flick the brush outward in long, confident strokes to form branches. Add smaller flicks for fine branches. Don't overthink it. Uneven strokes look more natural. Now brighten the tree with holiday lights. Using a small round brush, dot tiny purple, yellow, and white lights along the branches. Clustering them in soft curves helps them look wrapped around the tree. Dot tiny purple, yellow, and white lights along the branches. Take your time with this step. Enjoy the calm, steady motion of the brush. Next, let's paint the red ribbon on the wreath. Use crimson to create 2 loops and 2 soft tails hanging from a central knot. Add white highlights along the tops of each loop for shine and dimension. Add a small highlight to the streetlight and pole to match. Finish your painting by adding tiny white snowflakes across the scene. Vary your pressure so some are bright and some are soft. Let them fall across the houses, trees, and pathway for a magical snowy finish. Take a moment to step back and enjoy your winter scene. You created a cozy, glowing holiday street filled with warmth and charm. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more easy, relaxing painting lessons every week. And if you'd like to keep learning, join our free painting challenges and special community pricing for our complete Paint Your Own Happiness acrylic painting program. You'll find everything at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you for painting with us today. We can't wait to see what you create next.